Dear students, today I am going to explain how to simulate an integrator and differentiator by using square wave as an input signal. So I have to create the functional blocks. So I have to right click here, that is block diagram, white color window, and go to this express. Again go to the signal analysis and select simulate signal. This is like a function generator. Then I have to select the square wave as an input signal. Okay. You have to choose the input whatever you want. So in this class, I have to give square wave as an input signal. After that, I have to create two controls. One control for frequency, another control for amplitude. So I have to go to this front panel gray color window and right here and go to this numeric control and select one control for frequency. Okay. Another control for amplitude. Okay. Then I have to enlarge the size for frequency and amplitude knobs. So I have to enlarge the size and change the frequency from 10 Hz to 100 Hz. You have to change the value whatever you want. Okay. Then I have to connect the frequency and amplitude knobs to the corresponding input. Okay. Frequency to frequency, amplitude to amplitude. After that, I have to select the time domain function. So once again, I go to this block diagram window and right click here and go to this express. Again, go to this arithmetic and comparison functional palette and select time domain math function. Okay. So if I want to do the differentiation means I have to choose this derivative. Then click OK. Okay. Then I have to connect the square wave input to the output. Then finally I have to observe the input and output by using the waveform graph indicator. So I have to go to this front panel gray color window and right click here and create two waveform graph indicator to observe both input and output. Okay. So I have to connect the square wave input and in this waveform graph indicator we have to observe differentiation of square wave. Okay. After that I have to select the frequency and amplitude. So I have to select the frequency for 46 Hz and the amplitude for 2 volts. Okay. Then finally I have to run the program and observe the output. So differentiation of square wave we are getting spikes. So in the positive half cycle we are getting positive spikes. In the negative half cycle we are getting negative spikes. Then I have to integrate the square wave input. So I have to go to this time domain math function and I have to double click here and change the function from derivative to integral. Okay. So I have to change the frequency and amplitude whatever you want and again I have to run the program and observe the output. Okay. So integral of square we are getting ramp. So in the positive half cycle we are getting positive ramp. In the negative half cycle we are getting negative ramp. Understand? So in the next class I will explain how to find out the RMS value and mean value for sine wave input signal. Understand? Thank you.